In this video, we're going to show you the progress of our DIY greenhouse. This greenhouse is built out of quite a few recycled old windows and doors. Kind of show you where we are, where we left off from the last video. We still got the gable ends and the eaves to put up. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like this video at all. There's a few more videos coming up after this showing the status. This is the first couple of days worth of work, and then I've got another video coming with the next couple of days, and then we've got some more work to finish up after that. So you can see I'm just constructing the pieces there for the gable end, and you can see the little piece of cardboard there under the tools. That's kind of what I'm using as a template. Go up there and cut out the cardboard and then come back and trace it on the boards and cut the boards out. And a lot of measuring and up and down the ladder. It's kind of a long day being up and down the ladder so much. But I was just happy to get this work done. It's been needed to be done for a while, so I was glad to get it finished up. Still got some stuff to do inside, and that will make the next video where I'm showing how I'm gonna put some bracing on the inside to kind of give me somewhere to better secure these panels to. I'm making these panels out of some old wooden boxes that someone in town was giving away. They were housing solar panels that were coming in, and once they had removed all the solar panels and batteries and everything out of the boxes, they were just getting rid of the boxes. So I kind of tore them apart and used some of the plywood to make parts of this greenhouse. Trying to use recycled materials as much as I can here. I've got some old fence boards that I had used for another purpose, but now they're freed up, so I'm using them here. And here's kind of the completed status of that gable in there. Again, it's not perfect. There's some gaps in there I've got to fill in. Part of that will be in the next video. Go inside here and we can kind of see what I was talking about a minute ago. You can see there's really no bracing right all the way up right there. I need to add some braces just to give me somewhere to secure those boards a little bit better. I'll get that done in the next video. Now I'm going to start on go ahead and finish the wall all the way up to the roof line, and then I'll come back and finish up the, I believe it's called eaves there under the pitch of the roof. Same thing here, lots of measuring, up and down, measure, go down, cut the board, come back up with the board, secure it into place. Just a lot of back and forth. But it's definitely starting to take shape. And you can also see I only finished one of the gable ends so far. The next video I'll actually come back and do the other gable end. And I went ahead and bought some material for that, and it was a whole lot easier. I was able to do it in a couple of big pieces as opposed to making so many little pieces. It's starting to get a little bit dark here in the evening, and now back the next day. I don't like to try to color correct the videos because it gives a better sense of if it's late in the evening or early in the morning or whatever. Now you will notice here the next day it is definitely windy. Not necessarily the way I wanted to be up on a ladder. There was so much wind, so I'm gonna slow down the video here to normal speed. You can see the wind. I mean, you missed it there, but it blew I think it wasn't on the video, but it blew some boards off of the sawhorses I have set up over there. It blows the ladder against the greenhouse. Speed it up for a second. And you can see here in a minute it's starting to blow the ladder again, and then it blows the I've got the camera setting up on a like an Axor and target, which is very, very stable, and it just, the wind picks up like crazy and just shakes the whole thing here in a minute. There you go. And that's when I know at that point, I'm like, okay, I'm done. I'm not being up on a ladder when it's this windy. And I know some of you guys that do this for a profession would definitely think I'm a little wimpy, but I don't want to endanger myself at all there. So I called it a day. Here's kind of where I was there. Taking this footage, got the gable finish there on that one side. I got the focus. Got the eaves there kind of wrapped up. I'm definitely getting these sides. Again, it's not airtight. It'll never be airtight, and it's not meant to be airtight. But I'm just trying to get it to keep the water out of it for now. If you guys like this video at all, please subscribe. We've got a playlist here for the greenhouse build. Love for you guys to watch it. Y'all have a good day.